Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan to talk about how to choose an air compressor to blow out your sprinkler or outdoor water lines. Here's one of the many ways to make an adapter to blow out your sprinkler lines. This is a garden hose fitting on this end, female, so it'll screw onto my hose bib. This is my air compressor quick connect. You can put these two things together multitudes of ways. When we go to blow out a sprinkler line, the bigger the line, the more heads, the more air I need, because the air has to go into the pipe and, like coughing, push the water out of the line. If you only have a weak little cough, you're going to get some water out. There's still going to be some water left behind. That's when the big boy comes in. I got a 3-gallon air compressor, easy to carry around. I got a 20-gallon air compressor, not so easy to carry around. This is usually what I use to blow up my sprinklers because it's got so much air when you get it at 60 to 80 pounds and you have 20 gallons of air, boom, blows out all my lines, usually one time. Sometimes I do each zone twice. You saw a little bit of mist come out of the line. See, I've already blown these out, so you didn't get the full effect of the water. So these lines were blown out, and you see that there's still a little bit of residual water was in there, and I got it out with the little air compressor. Even with the little air compressor, I'm going to do that line 3 times if I need to, till I see as little moisture come out as you just saw. If you're buying an air compressor and you're doing sprinklers for a living, or you're going to do it a lot, you want a bigger tank. If you can afford to do it multiple times, you can get by with a little air compressor. You just have to make sure that that head looks as dry as the one you just saw. Quick tip, choose an air compressor, choose the right one from MrHardware.com.